It's going to move directly out over the graveyard, so what I'm going to try to do... Oh, look at the lightning, it's coming out everywhere. Now I'm going to go get some shots outside. Send this to Brandon. Speaking of Brandon, there he is now. God, that is beautiful. Look at that. Like a spaceship rolling in. Ooh, look at that lightning. Ooh. Oh man, look at the lightning going on over there. Shit, the damn trees went away. Oh, you know what? Mother Nature at her very best right here. Yeah, let's see. And the cemetery always gets hit. Oh, did you see that one? Hail. It does have a greenish, ooh, that was a good one. It's got a greenish look over there. Oh, that time lapse is going to come out nice. Oh, yes. All those big stripes are on there. Sweet. Ooh, look at that one. Jeez. It's going to be so much to look at. Yeah, that's, ooh, did you see that one? Mm-hmm. Damn. Right over the graveyard. Oh, look at that one over there, too. Right over the graveyard. You're shooting video, too?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. This is what it's all about. Holy shit, look at the lightning. We're going to get pounded, a huge line from Defuniac all the way to Fountain.
Wow.
Coming right down on us. Yeah. Oh man, I'm going to zoom in on some of these. Once it hits, chasing it back is going to be fun. There's a lot of lightning on the back side of it too. Look how crazy that is. That time lapse is going to come out. Ooh, that one. Just had a big bolt cut the cloud in half. Get over there and I get a picture in the storm. You know what? Let's get a picture of me, you, and the storm.
You want me and the cemetery and the storm?
Well, we can get over here. Actually, the clouds look better over there.
Look at over there.
Whatever you want. Let's do it. Yeah, this is your first storm chase. We got us in the beach, us in the storm. Oh my God. Okay, now it's time to get in the truck. Did you see those two big ones? Wow. Right in front of the camera too. Uh-oh. It's gonna get bad. It's gonna get real bad. Oh, oh my God. Look at that lightning. Oh my God! We were fixing to get rocked at Gunlock Cemetery. Gunlock Cemetery. Listen. Down there are some beast lightning bolts coming out of this thing. It's coming right out over the graveyard. We're gonna get rocked. The winds are already blowing at about, I'd probably say 35 miles an hour. Blowing right into the phone, right? It is really like, it's like, ooh, look at that bolt. Damn. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, it's, I mean, you can probably hear it. It's just cutting through pine log right now. No rain yet. I'm going to stay out here until it starts raining, even though these lightning strikes are really close. Oh my God. Woo, look at these bolts of lightning, my man. Oh my God. Getting some sweet shots out here. Yeah, let me know. I'm getting some fantastic shots. And I'm taking this girl out for this. Oh, look at that one. Perfect time to get her out. Oh shit. Alright, my camera's gonna blow over. I gotta go. Let it run. Shit. This is a bad thing. I'm not gonna put my See those two big ones? Right in front of the camera too. As long as we're not in the rain. And then just right off that way. Crazy looking lightning. That's why I turned that camera on. I saw it. I was like, oh, look at it on. Oh! Yes, what if it struck the... Yep.
Imagine if it struck the
tower.
tower.
That's what yeah, that's exactly why I put that thing on.
Yeah, there's some good things.
Yeah, that'd be great. That's a pretty decent lightning strike there next to it. It ain't done yet. They might hear a good boom from that one. That one on the ground. You should hear a good boom. There it is. This way out. The last one went across the sky. That one went down to the bottom. This is like a...
I'll try and turn it on. Ooh, now that was a...
flash.
I could smell the gas.
It flamed up earlier.
Well, it can't be out of gas.
Then I corrected it that I'm in Delaware.
Hey, it was in the north then.
Well, yeah.
Southern people treat the northern people really nice.
Oh,
That was another good one.
that's close.
Well, hey, Kit, just simmer it. 'Cause I'm going to go down and see if I can snatch some sharks.
You're just gonna cook steaks.
Oh, I hope it gets struck. Strike the... I don't know, it's shooting across the sky. I got a better shot here.
Probably.
No rain here, huh? No, there's some lightning.
There's still gas here, Joey. You
Okay.
just,
I
I don't know how you
somehow I
have to
turned it
let
off.
everyone you have to light.
Oh, yeah. That's right. All those beads.
Joe, you had to be, I mean, they were weighing you down. We had to. One's coming down this way, the outflow boundary came out.
What did I tell you earlier?
You know, you said that it does.
Told her all kinds of stuff. She's like, what the hell are you talking about?
He calls it, I don't know why we don't just put him on the TV.
Most experienced weather team, Titan 13, Chief Meteorologist Justin Kiefer.
Thunderstorms that came rolling in. This is from our storm chaser, Joe Mandeville. He lives at Panama City Beach, went up to western Bay County. Look at this cloud structure roll in. Now watch here. You'll see some lightning bolts come flashing out of the sky, out of this dark. Oh, look at that. Stop it right there. Just a tremendous, highly electrified bolt of lightning from that cloud to ground. And there was thousands of strikes of lightning across North Florida today as those storms came rolling in. Here's another strike. Again, much thanks to a good friend of ours here at News 13, Joe Mandeville. All right, let's move on and see what's happening and why the showers and storms continue to get fired up across North Florida. We will watch these showers and what could be another round of those early in the morning, but I'm not expecting much in the way of severe weather anymore. We'll probably